And today what I want to show you is this little hand truck. Check out how small and compact this thing is. It's only about 15 inches wide by 31 inches tall. You can see how thin it is, so you can store it anywhere you want to, but yet it can hold up to 200 pounds. It's made out of all aluminum. It has steel reinforced tubes. When you're ready to use it, all you do is you pull this down right here in the front. The wheels pop out in the back. And then you just push the button on top and extend the handle. And now you have a dolly ready to go. How cool is that? This is going to be perfect for trade shows, moving. If you have a business and you're often carrying larger loads and you need something that you can keep in your car, this is going to be great for those things. When you want to store it back, you just push this button. You just grab this and fold it like that. And you're already folded up. On top of the dolly, you do get this long bungee cord right here, so you can secure your load onto the dolly. And yeah, let's go ahead and let's go try this thing out. All right, I want to give you a closer look of it real quick before we try to test it out. You can see it's got this deck on the bottom for getting underneath boxes, furniture, or whatever you're trying to move. It does have these little bumps on it to give you extra grip to keep things from sliding off of it. You can see the slim tubular design. This is where your bungee cord is. Here's the up close look of the button that you can push to bring your handle down, just like that. You do have a nice rubber grip up here as well. If you spin it around, you can see you have these nice heavy duty caster wheels. They are rubber and plastic. And then you can see the way they fold up here. Whenever I push this in, they just fold in just like that. How cool. And there you go. I know my trash can already has wheels on it, I get that, but it is nice and heavy and it's larger. So I wanted to show you the capabilities of this little hand truck and how easy it is to move something large. Go ahead and we'll go put this back real fast. And of course, when the job is done, just like this, just like that, and it's ready to be put away. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.